In this video, we are going to see how we can log out of Odoo system and then re-log in. So first of all, on the top right corner, if you're already logged in, you will see this screen. On the top right corner, we see this logo with the company name. From here, we can click on Logout, but we didn't activated it yet from our email. So when we created it for the first time, there is no option to create the username and password. So instead you will receive an email. You can click on this one to activate the database, and then you could choose the password. So the email I have already configured, but we haven't decided any password yet. So let's decide a password, but it must be at least 12 characters long and the passwords must match. Let me enter one more time, and the password, as you can see, it's 12 characters long and it's matching as well. So both should be ticked, and after that you can click on activate your database. Let me just make it full screen, and then we can activate the database. And now you will again see this screen as if you're logging in for the first time. Let me just show you from scratch so you'd never have any confusion. Now guys, just remember that whenever you want to re-log in into Odoo system, just go to your specific email on which you have activated your free trial and just go in there. And here you have a unique website link like .odoo.com has been created for you. Always click on this link and then enter your email and password to re-log in the system. Let me just quickly add it. Click on login. And then you should be able to see your main screen. Sometimes it shows you that only 2 days are left. So you can retry by reversing the date in your main system. That might be causing the problem. So you can try that. But this is how you can log out of the system and then re-log in back whenever you want to access the apps. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.